so lovely to see everyone here, and well done to everyone who's organised this, because it's been a sort of a week of amazing things for the Somali community, and the organisers still look really fresh and energetic, and I know how much work you've done, so well done. And I think it couldn't be more right. Often ignorance makes people fearful when people get to know each other. The ways in which we're different are magnificent and enriching, and actually there are so many ways in which we're all exactly the same. And for me it's lovely. I've got a fantastic Somali community in my constituency, and getting to know everyone there has been an absolute joy, and I apologise to some of the ladies I've not yet been swimming with you, that's on my to-do list. But good food, great sharing of culture, amazing Somali culture is so important, and a bit of language learning I think as well never goes amiss, so I promise I'll be able to speak a little bit better Somali when I come back next time. Thank you everyone very much indeed.
And welcome, I'm Fangam Debonair, I'm the Member of Parliament for Bristol West, so fellow Bristol MP with Charlotte Leslie, and I have the great honour and privilege of representing the centre of Bristol, Lawrence Hill, Barton Hill, St Paul's, Easton, Cottam and all the way up to Clifton. And it's a great honour to be here, because part of what makes Bristol great is our cultural life, and another part of what makes Bristol such a wonderful place for us to live is our diversity. And over the last few months, there's a lot of people who've talked about uncertainty and feeling unsure of where we're going in the world. So I think it's really important that we as Bristolians say that in Bristol, we are proud of the fact that we're outward looking, we're proud of the fact that we're diverse, and we're proud of the fact that our cultural life is here for everyone. Because imagine what life would be like in any city without a rich and varied cultural life. It would be so dreary, it would be so drab. Imagine if we didn't have each other's food to eat, if we didn't have each other's art to enjoy, and if we didn't have things to learn from and with each other. So I'm very grateful that my Somali is gradually progressing, so I can say Wanabad and Navangelio. And I also learned at one point to say I know the way to the library, but I've forgotten I said at the beginning of that sentence. So I just want to say that together we are always going to be stronger. When we work together, when we bring different cultures into the major museum of Bristol, when we encourage people from across the city to feel like this is our museum, it's for us, and that every part of the museum is for us, about us and with us, that is part of what makes Bristol great, and that's part of what makes Charlotte and I so proud to be Bristol MPs. So thank you very much for coming, and enjoy the exhibition.